Well, got everything tied on. Throwing this small jerk bait, 2-inch jerk bait. There, I think I just saw a bass. Damn, this water is ultra clear. I don't know if you guys can see that though. I got a fish. Yeah. No, that one was a bass. That wasn't a striper. What is going on? I'm back on. Feels like it. But yeah, micro jerkbait. Yeah, they're still here. Whatever this is a bass. Yeah. Oh, little largy. Ooh, that's a bird nest. Taking that back. There's still big fish jumping though. No, nothing but bass, bro. Probably. I wonder if they move. Oh, that was a bite. Probably. Probably it is a bass day. That does not fall like a bass. That is definitely not a bass. Well, small little bait, you already know me. BFS always do the work. No, that's a striper. Yeah, striper. I was like, doesn't fight like a bass.
Oh, it's getting cold now.
Ow, ow. Well, first striper of the day, guys, on the 2-inch jerkbait. I'll show you guys the jerkbait now.
So is that like one fish every cast so far?
So far, yeah. I almost lost it. Yeah, on a good thing I didn't cast so hard. 6 pound line. The line was snap 100%. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want to throw top water. Oh, that was a bite. Maybe bass might want top water. Another bass. Little largemouth bass. Well, BFS is doing the work, you know. Striper. Yeah. Oh, I almost fell in. I almost fell in. I almost fell in, guys. Ooh. Ooh, this guy have a wart.
Probably one of the ones you caught last time.
Probably. Look at his belly.
Oh, I see.
Look at that belly, guys. Nasty. Oh my God. Oh. Got it. Bass. Yeah, largemouths and striper. Wonder if I should throw my 2-inch popper. I might catch some top. I might get some top water bite. Killing with just the small guys. Look, another little.
Not miss a cast.
Hey! Well,
So far, every cast you do, you catch fish.
you got a bite. I'm about to throw the popper just to see if I could get some top water action. You think so? Huh? You think I should throw top water?
Probably not. I don't think the popper's
Oh, damn. Very small bass.
Oh, it's almost as big as the lure.
I'm gonna steal your spot real quick. See if there's anything out there.
Once you have 3 rods, you can throw anything in this figure out.
Yeah.
Get those hot wires.
Oh, that was a hit. Oh, I got little bass that came up for it. Just when I pull it out of the water.
Yeah, dude, they're all around you, huh?
Yeah. Nothing but small guy though.
Yeah, I mean, if it's big, we'll see it.
I'm about to throw the popper.
It's like a fish every cast. The first cast.
Striper this time. Small one. Very small striper. Let me try the popper. I want to try the popper. Got it.
Hot water?
Top water. Oh, well, small, but 2-inch poppers, catching them on 2-inch poppers, nailing these bass, honestly. I think we're just in the horror of bass right now, bro.
I don't know, but so far everything you threw is got fish, so that's funny, but we need to upsize sooner or later.
We'll see. Ooh, that guy missed. Somehow we came for a striper, but I'm getting nothing but bass on a 2-inch popper from Euro Tackle, guys. Ooh, you got pliers?
It's the bottom of my bag.
This guy might, yeah. Yeah, striper day became a bass day, surprisingly.
Saw some cotton on the left side right there.
Oh yeah? Oh! Oh, you gotta be kidding me, you trucked it. Oh, I don't know if I can save this guy. He choked it. Yep. Never mind, I got it. He's alive. You see on the left side?
Yeah,
Oh.
pretty much.
Maybe. It might be a finesse bite, like you said. You want me to stay here? I can stay here.
The fire, right?
If you want me to. I might just switch back to a jerkbait, honestly. Because I just want nothing but striper. But I'm catching nothing but bass on popper, so. This has to be a keeper. There is no way this fish is coming in. Oh my god, this fish is big. I can't bring it in. Oh, this is... Casey! 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 This has to be a keeper. Oh! This is the biggest one out of here. Huh?
Good size, man.
Oh!
Bro, dude, that's like a 23 as well.
No, this is...
Holy shit, I
Look how big it is. It's like it's up to my knee.
You caught it that side?
Yeah, I caught it where my basically my spot is.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, how many bites you got so far? Just one?
I lost 2, land 1, land this one, so that's...
Oh, dang, that's the big one, dude.
Yeah. I was like, oh, Casey! Casey!
You want to measure it or not?
Yeah, we'll measure. I don't know, you heard me calling you.
Measure it, no, measure it, no. No, I didn't hear you. Oh,
The bait's still in his mouth though.
nice. Oh, you should take it off.
I'll take it off. I'll take it off. I said 24, 25. How big is it?
21 and a half.
21?
Maybe. 21.
Damn, I thought it was bigger.
22.
22?
Nope, 21. A little over 21.
Okay. Huh?
21 and a quarter.
Not bad. Biggest one of the day.
Skinny.
Yeah.